Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Arif. Welcome back again to my natural studio. So we can write English, we can read English, but we can't speak English. Why? Why it's happening to us? Why we can't speak English? Is it possible for me? Yeah, 100% possible for you. And how I can change that? How I can speak English fluently? The type of question is available in comment box. So today I would like to talk about how to improve your speaking English level. And besides, I would like to say that why we can't speak English fluently, why it's happening to us. So here I go. The main reason is school, college. When we go to school, when we go to college, most of the time we listen our own language in the classroom, in the class, especially in English class. Even English class, we listen all time our own language, right? And what I have seen in my country, especially in Bangladesh, all the time when I went to school, when I went to college, I listen Bengali language all the time. I listened little bit English, just little bit English. It's not huge. The teacher said little bit English. It was not huge. Why I will speak English? Why you will speak English? Why? You are listening little bit English. You should listen all time in English. And your teacher told in the classroom, write this. And your teacher has given some homework to writing. Your teacher has given to homework to reading. But your teacher hasn't given to speaking. Right? And this is the main reason. And when your teacher has given something on the board, write that. But he hasn't given speak that. Speak that. That is main thing. We can't speak English. That is the main reason. And we learn with our eyes. We didn't learn with our ears. It's very important for you. If you want to learn English, if you want to speak English, you have to learn with your ears. It's not your eyes. It's not your eyes. You have to learn with your ears. It's very important for you. But it's not possible for you just 1 or 2 or 3 days or 1 month or 2 months. It's not possible for you. You have to spend some times because it's a language. How you have learned your own language? You have spent so much time, more than 1, 2 or 3 years for learning your own language, right? Especially I have learned Bangla language in Bangladesh, especially like that, okay? And my father, mother, my grandparents all the time said Bengali language front of me. And finally, I have learned Bengali language. And you have to think in English. You have to say English. You have to try to say English. And you have to listen more than 1 hour every single day if you want to learn English. That's possible for you. Then you can speak English fluently. But our system is wrong. When we went to classroom, when we went to school, college, we didn't learn to speaking. We learned writing or reading. It's not enough. Writing or reading is not enough for you to speaking. So today our hidden secret is try to learn with your ears. It's not your eyes. If you learn with your ears, you can speak English fluently. So try to listening every single day more than 1 hour and practice your daily life, your reading room every day. Inshallah, I will pray for you. You can speak English fluently. So my dear viewers, in my natural studio, again, I would like to thanks and Assalamu alaikum. Take care. Bye-bye.